Hey tastemakers, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And today I am introducing a new series titled Eat Good with Max. If you are a new subscriber or been with me for a while, you know that I have a video catalog of fine wine. And in these videos, I always give you a wine pairing. But with Eat Good with Max, we're actually going to cook the meal, and you know that we will have a glass of fine wine to accompany this meal. On today's episode, I have the pleasure of having one of Houston's premier chefs. He is a 3-time author, of restaurateur, the former private chef of Tracy McGrady, and also the executive chef for the Houston Astros, Rockets, and Dynamo. Please, if you have not met him, let me introduce my friend, Chef Ray. Hey, Chef Ray.
Good evening.
So today we are going to make your signature French toast. Tell us about it.
Okay, so it's very simple, straightforward. You don't have to have a culinary degree to get it done. And everybody, well,
Good.
you know, everybody has different methods and madness to how they prepare their French toast. But most important, the batter itself is the most important thing, right?
So the key is the batter.
So most people use just cinnamon. Well, I take mine to the next level. So I love nutmeg. So I add nutmeg, and then the secret is the extract. So most French toast recipes call for just basic vanilla, right? So we have vanilla, and also I have added some Watkins rum now with.
Awesome.
Right? Alrighty, so. And then I use a couple pinches of sugar as well in mine. The recipe, I forwarded to you, and I'm sure you're going to upload that online.
Yes.
So she'll have the recipe for you.
The recipe will be in the description.
Alrighty, so basically we start with a couple eggs, a couple pinches of cinnamon, nutmeg, a teaspoon of our extract mix, a pinch of sugar, and we're going to whisk that together.
It smells delicious.
And then most recipes call for just regular whole milk, or you can do 1% milk, or whichever milk. If you want to do almond milk, it's your choice.
I was just about to ask that.
But because I love butter and I love fat, I use heavy cream. So let's make it worth its while. So basically, we whisk it together. We've got our batter here.
Okay.
Alrighty. So we're gonna take our Texas toast. Nothing like Texas. Everything in Texas is big.
Everything
right?
is big.
We have our griddle here.
Okay.
It's already preheated. So we're gonna spray a little bit of, I use Baker's Joy. You can use, some people use butter, some people don't use anything. So
Okay.
we're gonna use a little Baker's Joy. So we're gonna dip our bread on both sides. Just kind of let it absorb, the batter absorb within the bread.
So I see you flipping this a few times. How many times should we do it? Do we count
times,
or just
a couple times?
Whenever you feel like it's soaked?
It's all on a motion. And we're gonna just let it sizzle until we get a nice golden succulent brown on both sides.
Okay.
Alrighty? And then we'll pull it off the griddle, and we're gonna slice it on the board, and we're gonna do some culinary presentation. Berry, raspberry, strawberries, and then for some people, they love bananas. I love bananas. And then with a little bit of extra protein, we can top it off with some pecans. And then on the syrup, right? Always maple. I'm a maple fan.
Okay.
Right? And then we add a little bit of caramel extract to the maple syrup. So we've got a caramel maple syrup. I mean, it's just, you can do Christmas things with it.
Do you do powdered sugar on your French toast?
You can.
Okay.
You can do powdered sugar.
You said you don't. Y'all notice that you can?
You can.
You can do it, but.
You can. But I'm a simple guy. You know, we've got enough of fat on the toast. So. Smells good, does it not?
Smells great.
You can smell that little hit of rum.
So besides bacon or sausage, what would you put as a side for your French toast? I feel like that's always a go-to. What are some sides that we can explore?
Of course, just like an egg white omelet, or for me, because I'm an oatmeal fan in the morning.
Okay.
Now that I'm older, I've got to get my fiber. So So I love French toast with oatmeal.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, I've been
yeah.
had it with oatmeal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, some nice oatmeal. Or just some eggs or even some type of turkey bacon. It just depends.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to come over here, man.
That does look good.
One of my slogans is it's all about color, right? So, and the reason why, quick joke, I can tell you my dad, right? So when I branded myself back in 2007, when I 2006, came up with the slogans all about color, right? So my dad was like, what's this all about? This all about color. You know, being that he at that time was in the 70s, he thought it was race bait.
Okay.
Colored.
Got it.
And I said, no, Dad, it's not about that. I said, it's about food. Because you think about it, right? So we got this white presentation plate, right? So in order for us to be attractive to this plate and want to eat it, it has to have color on the plate.
Okay.
Right? So we're going to put this piece of French toast in. We got all this color right here. That we're going to add to this plate that's going to make it pop.
Okay.
Because we actually, if you think about it, we eat before we actually taste it because we see it. And
Yes.
if it doesn't look right, if it doesn't have color, we don't want it.
That is true.
Right.
I never thought of it that way.
So we're going to cut them here. Get you a strawberry. All right. You're left-handed. That's good.
I am.
Okay. So we're just you're gonna slice it once. Slice it again. Slice it again.
Oh, like they do with the rest
And
of
one
it.
more time. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fan it.
Hold on, mine's not fanning out. Do I need to pull it a little bit more?
Well, no, you gotta pull it.
Oh, I got it. I need to pull it some more.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna, all right, so we're gonna put that there.
Okay.
I'm gonna take me a couple blackberries here. Just kind of, and raspberries. A couple blueberries. However you want to do it.
Okay, I like this. So I'll be overthinking it. Oh yeah,
I'm gonna
I
take
like
some of
pecans.
My roasted pecans. Give it a little bit more color on that plate.
Okay.
Just, there you go. Max, I would have to say, you know how to eat good.
I do.
That's why your show is called
Eat good with
Eat
Max.
Good with Max.
Okay, let's taste it. Okay, let's go.
That'll make you call Jesus.
Oh, oh, this is good.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good.
So what do you say?
I like the nutmeg in it. And
The nutmeg gives it a different hint, huh? But you definitely can taste
Oh, my goodness.
the rum and the vanilla mix in the
my French toast don't taste like this, y'all.
huh?
But it will now.
So
And we have our bubbly
Christmas
with it.
morning, it's a perfect, easy recipe because like Christmas is so much different than Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is like that one big meal, but Christmas people get up, eat, they open gifts. So I would suggest Max's champagne, the phrase cheesecake. I mean, I said cheesecake.
Definitely get a cheesecake, but that's not what we're
Yeah.
making today. We're making a
Max's
French
champagne,
toast.
Chef Ray's French toast.
French
All right,
toast.
so
Thank
Ray's
you
French
so
toast.
much. And we look forward to you joining us again on
Alrighty.
Eat Good
God
with
bless.
Max. Until we meet again, drink good, live well. All right, guys, you all know what time it is. Now it's time to get into my favorite part, the wine. Today, I am going to teach you how to make a bubbly cocktail that everyone will enjoy, titled the Red Siren. Come watch. Okay, tastemakers, what is an episode with me without a nice drink? Today, I'll be making a bubbly cocktail because you know it had to incorporate wine if we're gonna have a cocktail. And this is titled the Red Siren. I came up with this one on my own with just a mixture of ingredients and I'm really proud of myself. And if I'm gonna do a cocktail, it definitely has to have some bubbles to it. So for the ingredients of this, we are going to do the Ciroc red berry, always a favorite. We are going to have raspberries as our topping, cranberry juice, and lime juice to build our cocktail. And we're topping it off with a sparkling rosé. For the sparkling rosé, I chose a Gruet. And if you saw my Instagram live, I did a cava on that one. But this is the one that I chose for making this cocktail. So let's whip it up. To make this drink, we need 1 ounce of Ciroc red berry, and we have ice in the shaker. And since I'm making 2 drinks, I'll make a double portion, so don't think I'm over here getting lit, guys. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. And you want to do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Put it in your shaker, give it a good shake. Pour it. Top it off with your sparkling rosé. And this is a pretty and a fragrant drink that you will enjoy. For the glassware, I chose a coupe. I just like bubbly cocktails in a coupe. And then you want to garnish the Red Siren. You can do cranberries. For this one, I chose raspberries. Definitely a bubbly cocktail you want to enjoy for the holidays, and a cocktail that you can enjoy beyond. It will definitely be a fan favorite. Let me know in the comments when you try this drink and how you like it. I would love to hear your experience with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet again, drink good, live well.